xafladan oo ay soo qaban qaabiyeen hay'adda UNICEF iyo safaarada jarmalka ayaa waxa looga hadlayay biyo la'aanta ka jirta Soomaaliya iyo sidii loo gaarsiin lahaa dhulal badan oo Soomaali ay degan tahay taasoo ay ka jirta biyo la'aan waxana goobjoog ka ahaa wasiirka biyaha iyo tamarta
gobolka Kenay way marka kuwa aan marin waxay biyo la'aanta way ka jirtaa sababta kuwa waxay u baahan yihiin biyo nadiifin ay u baahan yihiin iyo dadka naftooda sida biyaha loo gaarsiin lahaa kuwa kalena waa dadkaaga waxaa ka jira biyo la'aan ayaa
And it's very reassuring that Germany is looking ahead with us at the different aspects of long-term resilience building, both here in the south but also in Puntland. Our continued collaboration with the World Food Programme ensures the continuity of care for women and children. Bringing everybody together means we all contribute our strengths, our experiences, and our knowledge to improve the lives of women and children in Somalia. We have all seen last year how a massive scale-up of humanitarian operations facilitated by donors, amongst them Germany, and working close together with government and UN agencies.
It is still very, very unusual. Now I would like to wish the program a very good start, all success, and that after 3 years we have really made an impact, and that we have less mortality for newborn babies and better fed and healthier
virtual development of every child, and that the health and well-being of mothers are critical because of the role they play in safeguarding the health and happiness of their children. By increasing access to quality basic nutrition, health, clean water and hygiene services, we are giving individuals, families...
Maxamed, cabdi, cisman, faradhere, Star TV, magaalada Muqdisho.